All right, Jason's back for some full forecast details. Lots to talk about, certainly in the next 24 hours plus, sir.
Yes, and I have new details that are coming in. The sleet kind of little mixture that's going to be developing with this storm. Let's take you through the snowfall forecast. Let me get out of the way so you can see the entire state all the way back into New Hampshire. So what's going to be happening is we're going to have heavy snow move in, and sleet is going to mix in for extreme southern Maine, the southern coast especially, York County right now, but still 4 to 8 for them. 8 to 12 north of that, Sanford, and I even expect the potential for some sleet to mix in Portland. We'll see how much, but if you get sleet in Portland, it's close to 8 versus 12, 4 to 8 as you head up to Greenville, Millinocket, Lincoln, Bangor, Belfast, Rockland, and 2 to 4, mostly the county, a little bit of down east. Winter storm warnings are up, where you're going to have the heaviest accumulation of snow, so from Bar Harbor all the way back to Augusta with 1 to 2 inch per hour snowfall rates. This is going to be, once again, tomorrow, not today. Advisory is up. Everyone else basically outside of where we'll get the heaviest snow and the lowest amounts. Okay, that's where the advisories are up for now. Now, as far as the satellite and radar, people asking me on Facebook what happened to the snow yesterday. Well, what's left of it is exiting. The ground was so warm, you really couldn't get accumulation from that very weak system. And temperatures are cooling off now. Teens, 20s, 30s. So watch out for some black ice. Certainly not enough to give you a coating of snow in most spots, but that front from yesterday is exiting stage right. The next storm is really that area of low pressure in the Midwest. It's going to ride along this warm front and bring precipitation here. Here we go. Wednesday morning, today, clear. It's a mild day. We're close to 40 degrees. We're going to be in the 40s. Okay, another day above average. But watch what happens here as a backdoor cold front is clearly moving in. 8 in Caribou and 37 Portsmouth. Look at that contrast across the state. And then here goes that snow shield. Through 4 o'clock in the morning Thursday, snowing from Bar Harbor, Waterville, Rangeley, south down to Portsmouth. And there could also be some mixing going on of sleet that you're not seeing here with a warm nose of air pushing into the atmosphere, okay? So not pictured as the sleet, but you do see the snow outside of Millinocket and Calais from Waterville, Bangor, just barely in Bar Harbor at 5 in the morning, moving south. We get a break Thursday afternoon, evening time. Snow shuts off. And then here comes another batch, light to moderate at most through 4 in the morning Friday. And then that's out of here. So once again, here's a look at that map. It is a significant storm. For some, it's a major storm. You get up around a foot of snow in Farmington, Rangeley, Rumford, Bridgeton, Lewiston, Auburn, then certainly you're going to have major travel problems. Even us here in Maine that are used to snow, and it's February, it's still going to be quite significant for some of us, not the whole state. Seas at 2 to 4 feet, wind west 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 25. Small craft advisory is up. The forecast the next several days, we go from 34, very quiet and tranquil day, to 17 Thursday. Friday, the snow is early after it wraps up. Saturday, clouds increase. Sunday, some snow showers, nothing significant. And then we'll see about Monday night to Tuesday as temps try to rebound to the freezing mark. At the coast, clouds increase, 41. Another warm day by February standards. Thursday, the snow is on and off, mostly early and then late. And we see some clouds and sun Friday and Saturday, much colder. And then Sunday, light rain and snow. Monday, late snow into Tuesday with snow to rain, depending on what happens. So you can stay up to date with my social media for the latest forecast, which will get you through this storm. And right now, obviously, the sun not up, but it's going to be coming up, and not a bad day before the storm gets here, Lee.
Some of those numbers, Napster. Come on, man. Winter making a final push for February, right?
Oh, man, it's February in Maine. We're ready.
And we already know March is also a winter month in the state of Maine. So.
And sometimes April. So we'll hopefully.
Okay, stop. All right, thank you.